When I read this book, When the Two Sees Me, there were so many points that were resonating with my own life. Being a mother of three, I could feel that same emotions. And I'm sure any mother will not be able to express those emotions through words. It's a difficult task to pen down all that emotions. How can she ever write down how she felt, or that anxiousness when she was sending the son for the first time to school? What kind of excitement she had when she saw that her son is getting graduated from the university. Of course, these emotions are only felt. It cannot be expressed through words that easily. But when the son is getting married, loads of emotions pop up into her mind and hundreds of questions go unanswered. Now she must be wondering what kind of a bride I have to choose, and how do I choose the best bride for my son. Although Islam has given us guidelines as to how to choose the best bride or the perfect bride for your son, it is already mentioned, choose the pious and righteous bride. But apart from that, she also has to take care of certain other things. That is about her perspective and her blessings. She has to see how blessed she is, what kind of abundance she is blessed with. And again, she has to analyze what kind of thought process she has. What are her shortcomings? What are her likes and dislikes? What triggers her the most? And how can she overcome these triggers? What tools she has to maintain with her or keep them handy so that she can improve herself. Tools like kindness, compassion, mercy, trust, these are some of the tools that she can be well equipped with so that she can become a remarkable identity in the family. She must also be mindful about her son's perspective, because it is he who is getting married, and she has to take care of her son's interests as well. See that she gets the maximum guidance from Holy Quran and even the sayings of Prophet, peace be upon him. Also, she can find some instances even in the companions, even in the life history of his companions. So she needs to prepare herself for a better version and see that she makes her life and her family a pleasant place to live in. May Almighty bless all of us and make us the best version of ourselves and help each other in this process. Do like, share and subscribe the channel if you like these videos.